Hello. I have a nice framework today that I wanna unbox. It's my first screen, and then this is the keyboard, and then this is the actual laptop. Oh boy, oh boy, dude. Oh, beautiful. Oh my god. Oh yeah. What? Look at that. Oh, so nice. And then that is supposed to be the internal. I added ooh, I probably shouldn't do that. Oh my god, everything feels so sensitive. Oh my god. Oh, that is beautiful. Look at that. This is so it's the storage basically, the solid state drive. And we can transition now. Okay, so here we have the laptop, as you can actually see. So first, let us install. This is not the memory, that's the storage. So I need to install this memory, the DDR5 5600. Okay, so right here, and then remove this. Oh, we take out the plastic cover. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is where the motherboard is. This is one memory of DDR RAM of channel 0. This is the other, which is all we have to do is stick this in the right direction. So what I'm assuming, if I don't break this, is that it's where all the goddamn stick tags are, so everything is consistent. That is very smart. That is very, very smart. So even an idiot, I hope, understands it. And when you do place it in, okay, I was wrong. It is probably on the other side. They don't align. That's also very smart. Okay. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, that went in. If I broke that, oh my god, my heartbeat. Storage, which should be over here. Well, it says storage right here. You can see that without now the protective glass. This is the storage. I put the DDR5, the RAM, in here, and it clipped very nicely. So that's how that should work. And so okay, and memory just, I've never done this before. Do I just do that? Do I just shove it in? Oh my god, my hands, I'm stressed, I'm so stressed. I'm just afraid I'm gonna break this expensive thing. Huh? Does it not go in? I'm confused. Okay. This was going in like... No. I'm hella confused now. Okay, let's take it out, remove it, and watch a YouTube video. Thing that is not letting me screw it in, so all I technically have to do is remove it, leave it here, and then take my SSD and shove that in. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Tighten it up. Not too much because that is not good. Yeah, that should be fully in now. And with these things out of the way, there is the keyboard, the input cover kit. Ambulances go on and on. There's always something going on. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but there's always something going on. I have something cooking, so I will be right back. As a software developer, I don't understand any of this. Is what I understand is this thing that's supposed to connect to our internal stuff, the logic stuff, needs to be plugged in so that the keyboard can communicate with our motherboard and our CPU about what we wanna the keyboard input, right? So all you have to do is you add this small thing to the one over here. So I'll do it like what I learned about building one computer once from, oh my god, don't put your fingers on that. From a person who's built countless computers is just do it. Okay? Oh my god, it's magnetic. Holy shit, that's magnetic. Oh my god, that just went in. That just went in. Okay, so at this point I was just putting on the screen stuff. I don't even know, and I really thought I was just breaking everything, and I think I did, but it's fine. I don't think it broke, which is good. Okay. Okay. I was so damn stressed. Okay, I've made sure that everything went into its rightful place, so now I'll screw it in. Always only screw it in when you're make sharp. Always do something when you are positive it has worked. Also, sometimes you can mess up because it's always a learning opportunity. USB-C and another USB-C. What do I want? I want one USB-C on each side so I can either charge or use a dongle. They look like this. So it's very smart that everything that's plugged in that goes into the laptop is USB-C for like future-proof, which is very, 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 very smart. So all I have to do is slide and connect. Green, orange, that's a work of beauty. That means that some signaling does work, and so I can turn that on. Oh, beautiful. But however, since this is the BIOS, okay. Stress. It works. But now, next step, install Linux. So yeah, I've installed Linux, but the engine I'm using is CachyOS, which is Arch-based. I have installed NeoVim, which I've used LazyVim to install, and it's so good. It's actually like amazing. And I get these like small config plugins that I can just add so easily. The UI is beautiful. I can make my goddamn terminal transparent. I can do anything I like. It's just so good. I've customized it to be more purple-esque to match the background from Vagabond, I think this anime is. I still haven't seen it or haven't read the manga, but I really want to. This is my Spotlight, basically my small raycast, which is the U launcher, which I'm using Hyperpanel to enable as Hyprland UI that you see on my top bar. And then these are just the fish configs that I have, and yeah, it's pretty basic. As I said, I use CachyOS, and it's pretty simple to use and to install. And yeah, that's my setup. I really like it, but I'm obviously gonna improve on it.